Hi guys, in the last lecture we have seen how we can create a user in the Linux operating system. In this lecture we are going to learn about how we can delete the user from the Linux. So in order to delete the user, we have a command called userdel -r username. Username is whatever username you want to delete, that username you need to place. -r is for it will also delete the home directory that you created while you are creating a user. So let's try to see this practically. Okay, if you remember that we created a user called testing in the last lecture. Let me show you. So first of all, let me switch to my old user, because old user, that is Ankush user, have the full permission to create a user by using the sudo command. Let me do that. So we know whenever you create a user, the entry will be added to the /etc/password file. This file have the entry of my this user, testing user, because this user is already created. Now in order to delete this user, again I will use sudo, because sudo is needed. Userdel userdel -r and the username testing. When I fire this command, I'm getting one message that user testing is currently used by process, means this user is already logged in. Because of that only he is not able to do that. So what do we need to do? Just do the exit and do the exit from here, because now you can see here the testing user was logged in, so we need to exit from here. So it got logged out now. Okay, if I do who am I can see testing is logged in. So let me do exit one more time. Let's exit. Now everything is closed. It means all the users got logged out. Right click, open terminal. Now sudo userdel -r and the username. The user should not be logged into the server when you are deleting it. Now it's asking for the password of my user. Done. You can see that userdel testing mails pool not found. Let me go to the cat /etc/password file, whether that user is there. I don't see that user there, so user has been deleted. So this is how you can delete the user. Now let me go to the home directory of that user, whether it is there or not. If I go here, I'm getting a message called no such file or directory. It means the directory has been also deleted, because we used the option called userdel -r, and that is how it has deleted the home directory as well as user from the password file also. This is how you can delete a user. Thank you.